Hey guys, Daniel here over at Serenity Knives. Gonna do a quick spring repair on this Kershaw. It's just not really flaring out anymore, so I believe the spring is broken. Haven't opened it up yet, so I'm gonna do this whole thing real quick just to kind of show you guys one of the things we do here. Just to get you started, Kershaw is one of those companies that does allow us to work on their knives, so they send us parts, which I really appreciate as a company. They will allow us to do these things so that way customers have better confidence in what we do, rather than other companies who have them send them the knives. So my hopes is that this is just a spring repair. As I open it up, I'll get into anything else, but otherwise we're going to time lapse as much of it as possible. If I need any kind of stop or interruption, hopefully we'll get that in there, and I'll tell you what's going on from there. All right guys, so without further ado, let's get into it.